How to add a gift card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet. Once app appears, install it and launch it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. You can select debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now from this page, you are able to scan the card. If it's a physical card, you can use your camera to scan the QR code. You will be prompted to open apple.com. Tap that and the card, its value and the QR code will display. Tap add in the upper right corner and it will be added to wallet. Or also you can click on this option of enter card details manually. Unfortunately, unless you have a supported gift card with a Visa, MasterCard or American Express logo, you cannot add it to your Apple Wallet, and not every gift card with a major credit card logo is supported. But also you can give a try. You can enter the details and try to add it. Simply, this is the only thing you can do right now. I hope you guys are clear if you can add a gift card to Apple Wallet or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.